Welcome back to my channel.
This is the System Society at Home. I'm Amanda Lee, and in today's video we are making a no-measure honey mustard chicken that everyone is sure to love, and we're creating an organizational system for under my kitchen sink. First, let's make that chicken. It's super simple. All I'm using is paprika, onion, powder, garlic, and salt, and adding it to a 50-50 blend of plain and panko breadcrumbs. I whisked up a few eggs and added in a bit of that Dijon mustard. Then you're just going to dip your cutlets into the Dijon and egg mixture, then to the spice and crumb mix, and then directly into a hot pan with oil or butter of choice. The sauce is just as simple and requires no measuring either. Just look for the consistency and taste that you prefer.
You wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
I decided to drizzle my chicken with the sauce, but if your family prefers more sauce, you can completely toss them. These did not make it past lunch. They are a super simple crowd pleaser and would be great for kids' lunches too. Now we're going to tackle under the kitchen sink. This is the blank space. The shelf and trash can were here when we moved in, and so I created my system around those. I purchased these stackable bins from Amazon. They come in a pack of 2, and I also use them in our laundry room. These are the items that will be in the bins and on that little shelf. I also purchased this 3M towel holder for my gloves and cleaning cloth. In addition, I have this 14-inch Lazy Susan for the space that will hold my cleaning products that I don't use as often. If you want help in understanding how to create home systems on a larger scale and how to create order in your life and home, my other channel is dedicated to educational content that takes you step by step on how to create personalized home systems that mostly maintain themselves. We are just starting the series over there, so I'll leave the channel link in the description if you're interested. These are the items that I'm placing on the Lazy Susan, and I'm just kind of doing a trial run here to make sure they all fit appropriately.
I see the door you closed is open wide.
Now, this is not sponsored by any means by Grove, but I do really enjoy the company. I think they're a fantastic company if you're looking for eco-friendly household cleaning products and even beauty. I love that you can use their website to get their products for less expensive, but I also really love that they're at Target because sometimes I just need to go pick up something quickly, and so I like that the company is also present there. Now that everything is stocked, I'm just using my Cricut to create some custom labels. Making the labels definitely was the longest part of this process today, and I really wish I would have had our bar stools. We haven't fully decided on which ones we want, so I was all hunched over, and I'm sure my back will pay for that tomorrow. This is the most satisfying part to me right here. Oh gosh, I love it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
And now I'm just giving everything a good wipe down before we start to assemble the system. And by the way, I was really concerned when we moved in that this trash can situation was going to be way too small for our family, which was a shame because I really liked that it pulled out. But to be honest, it works so much better because I don't mind pulling out the trash because the bag never gets full. So I don't know, it's really worked for us and our family of 5.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
I'm really happy with how it turned out. Everything is so functional and easy to use, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up because this is a brand new channel and that would help me so much. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next week, bye.